In this video, we're gonna try out these Beyond Meats Beyond Burger plant-based hamburgers. Why? Welcome to The Real Dad. I'm Jeff King. I'm not a vegan, I'm not a vegetarian, I actually hunt and I do eat real steaks. However, I'm open-minded and these things are making a big impact, not only in the stock markets, but with people that are looking for alternative-based burgers. You can't ignore the hype that the Beyond Burger is making. Why am I trying these? No, I know you're thinking, well, why would I eat these? Well, you know what? You and myself, we might not have to eat these. However, maybe our children and grandchildren, when Elon Musk finally colonizes Mars, if they want to have a burger, it's going to be plant-based. Why? They're not going to have cattle on Mars. So, before I lose light and these things expire today, let's get them on the barbecue and see what we come up with. Okay, I've got my hardwood lump charcoal burning here, but just to give these things a chance, throw in a little bit of mesquite wood chips for the extra flavor. Okay, here we go. I hope they taste better than they look. According to the packaging, you want to cook these about 4 minutes per side with an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, so these things are done. It's getting dark. I want to go to bed, but I promised a lot of people that I would shoot this video, so let's give these a go. They've reached an internal temperature of 165. They kind of maybe look like a hamburger. I don't know. Let's just put the basics. Mustard. Relish. And ketchup. Okay, here we go. That actually sort of tastes like a hamburger. I'm a little surprised. I'm quite surprised by this plant-based burger. However, for $7.99 Canadian for 2 4-ounce patties, I don't see me buying these again in the future. But if you're not into eating meat, you're gonna like them. So you're probably thinking to yourself, yeah, but I don't eat soy burgers, bro. Well, guess what? Not even a soybean in this burger. We have pea protein, canola oil, coconut oil, rice protein, dried yeast, mung bean protein, potato starch, pomegranate fruit powder, vinegar, concentrated lemon juice, beet juice extract, water, salt, sunflower, vitamins and minerals, and a whole bunch of these vitamins that I'm not even going to bother trying to pronounce. So, yeah, there's no soybeans. This is all peas and beets. Well, that does it. I finally tried the Beyond Meat Beyond Burger and I'm a little impressed. If you are into barbecuing, do-it-yourself projects, craft beer, please consider giving me a subscribe and maybe hit that bell notification button so you'll be notified as soon as I upload a new video. You can follow me on Instagram and Facebook at The Real Dad. And until next time, eat your pea-based burgers.